Good morning, students. So today we are starting our half year syllabus with chapter 4, pronouns. So you all know pronouns, they are used in place of a noun. Now look at the first question here. Match the following by adding names in the second column. So the definition is given and we have to write the type of the pronoun. Now types of pronouns are personal pronouns, demonstrative, interrogative, distributive, reflexive, relative pronouns and possessive pronouns. These pronouns are used in place of common and proper nouns. They can be used as both subject and object. So these types of pronouns are called as personal pronouns, and the pronouns we use are I, you, we, they, us, them, it, she, he, him, her. So these are all personal pronouns. These pronouns are used to refer to specific things or people mentioned previously. So when we refer to a particular thing, we say this book or that pen. Okay, these pronouns are called as demonstrative pronouns, and the pronouns we use are this, that, these, those. These pronouns are used to ask questions. So they are interrogative pronouns like which, whom, whose, what. These pronouns refer to persons or things one at a time. They are called as distributive pronouns like each, none, any, neither, either, etc. These pronouns are used to refer to the subject of a sentence. They are used when the subject and the object of the sentence are the same. We call them as reflexive pronouns because in reflexive pronouns the subject and the object are the same. These pronouns are used to link clauses or sentences. They are called as relative pronouns, and the pronouns we use are who, that, which, whose and whom. These pronouns are used to emphasize the subject by whom the action has been done. They are called as emphatic pronouns because we emphasize or lay stress on the subject. These pronouns are used to show possession or ownership. We call them as possessive pronouns. So exercise B, you can do it on your own. And let's move to exercise C. Read this passage on Louis Pasteur and then circle the personal pronouns. So personal pronouns we have discussed. The pronouns like I, you, we, they, us, them, it, him, her, she, he. These are called as personal pronouns. We use them in both in the place of subject, and also we can use them in the place of an object as well. So we have to circle the personal pronouns. The 6th of July 1885 was a very memorable day in the life of Louis Pasteur, a French scientist and microbiologist. His contributions to science, here his is a personal pronoun. Technology and medicine were significant. Even though most people know him, again him is in the object position, for originating the process of pasteurization. Pasteur worked extensively in the field of disease germs. One such disease was anthrax, which had killed sheep and cattle in France. Here which is also a pronoun. It's a relative pronoun.